in our lessons on irregular words, the word for today is eye. In other words, that part of my face that I use to see with. So the word eye is not written as it sounds, as it's spelt.
Not at all. Mm-hmm.
And sorry, it's not written as it sounds. Is that how we say it?
Correctly.
Okay,
yes.
it's
So
not
it's
written.
only the sound I, but we're spelling with the letters E-Y-E, so it's not written as it sounds.
Okay, it's not written as it sounds. So how do I remember that E, Y, and E is actually pronounced like this? How do I remember that?
Again, it's one of those words you just have to visually remember it. You have to put it into your visual memory to get those three letters.
Okay, so I have to use visual memory. That's really important. I'm just going to write that out slowly because we have to remember that. So and in saying that, I just have to remember the look of it. Is that what we're saying?
Exactly. Yep.
Okay, so how do we go about doing that again?
Well, let's just practice saying those three letters in order. E-Y-E.
Okay, can I write them at the same time?
That's a very good idea.
All right, well, just give myself a little bit of space and I'll get rid of everything. And I'll just grab my brush again. Here we go. So I have to just say E.
Say and write. Mm-hmm.
Y, E.
Mm-hmm.
And again, is that how you do it?
Do it one more time.
E, Y, E.
Now I will erase it.
Okay.
And then see if you can make a mental picture.
Okay, I'm just rubbing that out, and now I've got to try and make a mental picture.
Mm-hmm. See it in your mind's eye. Okay, so you got it in your mind's eye?
Get it? In my mind's eye? Yeah, I've got it in my mind's eye.
Okay. What do you see for the first letter?
Well, this one's pretty easy because there's only three letters.
Yep.
So I see an E.
And what do you see after the E?
Well, then there was this thing with a long dangly thing. That's the Y.
Mm-hmm. And what do you see after that?
Well, another E.
Very good. Okay. So it's not such a hard word to learn.
No, well, there's only three letters.
It is. Okay. Now we can do a little trick to help us remember it. Let's draw a face with a smiley mouth. And the E's represent the eyes.
Oh, okay. So you mean like just draw a big circle around here, like that?
And give him a smiley face.
And put a smiley face. Oh, look at that.
And then we've got the word eye.
Yeah, isn't that great?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so again, this is just a visual memory exercise.
Mm-hmm.
And we just have to remember E, Y, E.
Very good.
And just practice that over and over again.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit like Bart Simpson writing up on the blackboard, I must not do this 100 times.
And it's good to say the letters and write it at the same time.
Okay, just as I was then by pointing at them.
Mm-hmm.
So E, Y, E.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Very good.
And that is the word eye.